Hi guys, today we have a sensory bin filled with rice. All you need is a green sheet of paper, a bin and some brown rice or white if you prefer. I got some farm animals today. Let's see what we can find. I found a pink pig. Ooh, a Dalmatian. I love dogs. Do you love dogs? Feels so nice. What else is in here? A ram. A cow. Feels so nice. We have a cat. Let's keep digging. Let's see what we can find. A bunny rabbit. We have a bull. What else is in here? Oh, we have a goose. We have a duck. And a horse. Have you ever rode a horse before? A black donkey. And a red rooster. I don't think there's any more. Okay, let's review all the farm animals that we found today. We found a ram, cow, pig, Dalmatian, cat, bunny, bull, goose, duck, horse, donkey, and a rooster. We found all the farm animals. Good job! Don't forget to clean up. I had so much fun with you today. Thank you for playing with this nice sensory bin. Remember to tell your parents to play with you and get creative and have fun. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!
Gabby is